Okay, so we're now in the 70s. We're like in the 40s in the morning. So this is what happens. We go from triple digits to cold. Like there's no fall. We have no fall. It just happens. So let's look at what my fall crop seedlings look like. And then, yeah, I think I did go buy some plant starts. I'm gonna have a fall garden. Okay, so here's the bok choy, and honestly, I think these look fairly decent. Not bad. More than I need, actually. But then here's what happened to my broccoli plants. Look, they got munched. And they do look better in here. This one's looking pretty good. So I do really hope to use some of these, but they're just not ready to go in the ground just quite yet, which is fine because I don't have all the availability just quite yet for them. Of course, I've got some more rainbow chard. They're looking good. This is a teeny tiny little cabbage plant. I ended up with just one. This is my one cilantro. These are leeks. I'm pretty excited about these. So hopefully these will continue to get a little bigger. I've got my onions over here, my red onions that will be actually potting up. I'll show that later on another video. But look at these plants. This is broccoli, Brussels sprouts, some cauliflower. Yeah, we need to make room for these and get them in the ground stat. Okay, so now the question is, what am I going to remove? Now, obviously, look at all those tomato plants over there. They are like thriving. Those are my tried and trues over there. But then we have these others over here that, you know, like this one right here. While it's got a lot of growth, like I said in a previous, there's really not many blossoms. Like there's blossoms that look at, they're dead. So this one will probably come out. And so I can put some broccoli, cauliflower, whatever. Look at this one. Yeah, this one can come out. It's struggled along enough. This one, while it's on that tree, and there are some blossoms. No, I need the pot. Ooh, look at that. Aren't you gorgeous? Yes, you are. My dahlias. I'm in love. What do you think, Ritzy Roo? And let's see, this one as well can come out. And probably even this one. This one over here I'm probably going to leave for a bit because it's got all kinds of green tomatoes on there. You see that? So I'll leave this one, but that gives me several other pots. These larger ones will be for cabbage. They need a little more room. Ooh, look at you. Aren't you gorgeous? So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excuse me. So that's 6. That one's not doing so hot either, so we'll do 7, 8. Look at that. Yeah, baby. Love it. Ooh la la. Oh no, there's a bug. What is that? What are you? Get off of my flower. Gorgeous. Yeah, and then the rest of these I'm gonna be leaving. Look at the jungle. I have me a little jungle for sure here, but look at all these tomatoes. I'm gonna have to, I may cut them back a bit, but yeah. So that looks like about 8. So I'm gonna need some more buckets. So what I'm probably gonna do, I have over here in the side garden over here, I have some buckets. Well, I have some on the other side. They had brassicas in them last year and nothing new, so I don't want to use those. But look at, I got 1, 2, 3, at least 3 5-gallon buckets here that I can use. So that's 11. I'm pretty sure I have more than 11 plants. So let's see, what else can we use? I don't really want to let this one go just quite yet. Oh, and there's another. Can you see in here? There's another. This is a Rebecca Allen. It's my honey drop. They are so yummy. My beans. Look at all my beans. Beans, beans, beans. We're gonna have beans for dinner. Look at everywhere. Love it, love it, love it. Okay. So that's like 11. This one, I don't know. I'm gonna have to make some decisions because I am gonna need some of these pots. So I just need to decide. This is the tough part. I don't know, you guys. I don't know. All right, let's get going. Well, here are my jalapeno plants, and while I have some nice jalapenos in here, you see these leaves? They are like, I don't know, there's new ones too. Decisions. I mean, yellow leaves. It's gotten really cold. I don't know, it might be time to go ahead, and I could use these 4 buckets for broccoli or cauliflower. Still got some eggplant going on. Those new eggplants down here. This is a different variety. Got a couple of them. Ritzy Roo. Yeah, so I'm thinking, Ritzy, that's full of basil, but I could use that for broccoli. I could take this apart and use that bucket down there, Ritz. Because, oh, look at this sunflower here. Isn't that amazing? Look at those little buds. How interesting. So, I mean, I could take these off and use this bucket if I need to. Ritzy, enough. She's telling somebody something. This one over here has zinnias and some basil still. I don't know that I want to mess with that one. And that's pretty much it over here. Ooh, another beautiful dahlia. Look at you. Bringing me some beauty. I'm loving it. Now over here on this side, these 5-gallon buckets, while I could use them, my only concern is they have, the recent crop in here was brassicas. So while it's been a while, I may still have to use some of them. Because, I mean, look, I've got 4. Look at, this is a brassica from last year. You know, I just keep watering. You know, I think this is Brussels sprouts actually. And then we have some over here. See this? Yeah. So I may have to just break down and use these as well. That's what I'm thinking. So let's get going. Let's see. I'm going to start on the bigger ones and then we'll fill in with these depending on what our need is. All right. So since we're going to be taking these out anyway to make room for the brassicas, I guess it's time to let this last sunflower go. Okay, now that we got all this is a massive pile. I don't know if you can tell by looking. Let me go back. Yeah, it's a massive pile. But now we've got quite a few pots available. And so now we gotta give them some nourishment, some new amendments. And yeah, so let's get that going so I can get these plants. Look at these. Get these plants in the ground. I'm gonna have me some broccoli. You wait and see.
Don't need someone to save me, no, and don't come running to blame me. From miles away I can tell that something's off. The way you look and how you pause when you talk, I think I said enough. You said your love for me something brand new. You said this is something you would never do. Here we are in your car. Let me see who you are, who you really are. Yeah. Don't need you here to say you're sorry, 'cause if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Don't take it slow, don't be gentle. No, I just gotta know, if you're gonna leave me, then just do it. Ooh, ooh, Let's be honest for a second. Yeah, you're being over your head, babe. 'Cause there is no one other than me that can make you feel the way you feel when I hold you. I think I said enough.
Okay, we officially have Fall Garden Phase 1. Let's go take a look at it. Okay, we still have a mess. But we have officially gotten plants in. Let's see, this is cauliflower. I believe this is cauliflower too. I don't know, I did mess up a little bit. This is broccoli, and then this is all the big ones here. Cabbage. Got broccoli down there. Broccoli. Hello, beautiful. How are you? Look at that. So beautiful. So stinking beautiful. Okay, and then I put the Brussels sprouts around the corner. Let's go check it out. Watch out, Ritz. Here we go. Watch out! Move! Run! She's like, I know where she's going. So here we go. I realized that this really didn't have brassicas in it, so we're good. So we've got 6 Brussels sprout plants all around. This was already there, but then this little tiny one right here, you see this? It kind of fizzled out and died, but I stuck it in there, so maybe it'll be good. Look at that. Yay! And Brussels sprouts. Okay, so that's it. I now officially have a fall garden. How about you? Now, we will have phase 2 once the tomatoes are coming out because it's too cold and making room for what I hope. So all those other plants I have, all the other broccoli that I have that is really tiny, I'm hoping it'll mature, and if it does, well, then that'll be phase 2. But in the meantime, we still have peppers growing, we still have tomatoes growing. So yeah, as soon as the peppers fizzle out, which should be pretty soon here, we will transplant the bok choy. It's very happy. So head on over to my Facebook page, page or group, I don't know. I'll put the link down below. Come show me your fall garden. I want to see it. All right, peace. Mwah. See you next time. Bye now.